Hello, Toronto. So, I hope you're having a fantastic afternoon. And I am at my apartment, as you can see. Um, it's an unexpected weather forecast we received last night. And for the next 2 days, we're going to have this weather, and they're expecting about 25 centimeters of snow over the period of this time. And so far, I do not see that much of snow on the road, but icy conditions for sure. So, freezing rain will continue in this evening. Temperatures are expected to be just below the freezing mark. So, the greatest ice excretion may be confined and elevated surfaces. So, freezing rain may change over the rain tonight. So, as temperatures rise to near the freezing mark. So, the gusty wind is expected around the GTA, and it's pretty cold. I didn't expect that, but right now it's about -7. So, roads are all cleaned up, but as you can see, there's a little bit of snow here and there. You find Toronto downtown is already covered with blanket of snow, I believe. And anyways, so guys, drive safe, keep enough gap when you drive, and think about your fellow citizens as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely get you with more information regarding this weather pattern, and any new uh, anything new with related to the snowstorm. Okay, take care, guys. Have a great day.